Oh, Adam. Adam Aron just went out and bought nearly $30 million of a gold mining company. We've got people saying it's a great idea. We've got people saying it's a bizarre idea. And, you know, I kind of fall somewhere in between those. I want to take a realistic approach to looking at this acquisition here. I want to read a statement from Adam Aron and kind of try to jump into why this move? Why buy a gold mining company? I get it if you're hedging against inflation, gold is a good way to go, but maybe buy bars of gold. Maybe not buy a gold mining company that is losing money year after year with negative earnings and negative net profit, and it seems to be really struggling. So I do want to discuss this because we've already seen the stock price of Hycroft Mining go from around $3 this morning down to around $1.50, and investors that jumped in because they believe in Adam Aron this morning have already lost a great sum of money. So I want to get a better understanding of why buy Hycroft Mining. Is this a good idea for AMC and what it means for the future? So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit is going to get you guys at least 5 free stocks right now, valued at a minimum of $27, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto, and then of course you guys get crypto exclusive exchanges as well. But guys, the speculation it's off the charts. You know, I've seen some stuff on Twitter thinking that Adam Aron is going out there and buying up a gold mining company to back an AMC cryptocurrency in gold. Bizarre, but that would be very cool, right? I don't know. I don't think that's the case. No mention of that was made by Adam Aron or anybody, you know, that represents AMC at all. So that is definitely speculation. And I gotta be careful with this, but I do believe that it's more than just buying a gold company. I do think that it might have to do with the ties between AMC and Mudrick Capital. So I want to talk about that in a second, but I do want to first address the pros of buying into gold during times like we're seeing, times like we're seeing right now. You guys, as most of you know, precious metals gain in value during times of uncertainty. Gold is an absolute store of value. If there's wartime, like we're seeing right now, but any terms of uncertainty whatsoever, lead investors to safer assets. We've been pounding this idea video after video, day after day, and we are in times of uncertainty. It is clear that the price of gold per ounce has been rising drastically. I believe it's a little bit below a little bit above $1,900, a little below $2,000 per ounce right now, after topping out above $2,000 per ounce just a couple of days ago. And it's seen a nice rally since Russia invaded Ukraine. So that added to the uncertainty. The 8% inflation that we're experiencing here in the United States, that added to the price increase in gold. And this could be a good move to hedge against further inflation. Why? Because as the price of gold rises, as the price of precious metals rise, the mining industry and these mining companies will see their revenues increase. So it is a good look in that aspect, but you have to look a little further and you have to understand what this acquisition is. You know, Adam Aron, using this $30 million, Adam Aron has the opportunity to pay down AMC's debt. And he forgoes that opportunity every time he spends it elsewhere. Now, I will agree that there is greater upside potential on an acquisition like Hycroft Mining. Sorry, I forgot the name for a second. Like Hycroft Mining, much in excess of the coupon payments on the debt. So if Adam Aron were to go down and pay down $30 million worth of debt, that would be roughly 8% interest that he would be saving every year. Essentially a guaranteed 8% return. Now, he decides to go out and buy a mining company. Clearly, the stock price is sitting above his $1.20 purchase price, so he's doing much better than the 8% gain right now, and it's just one day. But does he plan on selling? I don't think that this is a short-term investment for AMC. I believe that this is a diversity play for AMC. So I don't see him selling at this gain right here. Now, we need to be concerned about HYMC stock. We need to be concerned about this Hycroft metal or this Hycroft Mining for a variety of reasons. First of which, they're not profitable. They have decent revenue. They're making like $20-30 million a quarter in revenue, but they're spending a drastic amount more than that to mine this gold and mine this silver out of the ground. Net profit or net loss, I should say, in the fourth quarter of I believe it was a third or fourth quarter. I think it might have been the third quarter, was negative $20+ million. This is a drastic loss on a company that should be increasing revenue during times like this. And I get it. You know, companies have falling net profit. They are spending. Revenue is rising, but also the net loss is rising as well. So you have to look at that aspect of it too. If Adam Aron expects to be profitable, we need to see a lot transition in HYMC. Also, due to the hype and due to everybody looking and raising the price of Hycroft Mining right now, Hycroft is looking at doing an additional dilution or capital raise in their share. Man, we are just getting really good at giving these companies all of our money. The stock price rises and they dilute us right back down. Anytime they're in a little bit of liquidity trouble, they love to dilute their investors right back down. But I do want to touch on this really quick, and I hope you guys are still in here for this video. I do believe that this is a little strange to me, okay? Now, if you guys remember Mudrick Capital is one of the institutions out there that helped AMC make it through the pandemic. They bought debt, they bought shares, and they were going out there and providing liquidity to AMC when AMC was in a tough time. Now, this is a statement from Adam Aron. This is not a statement from me. Adam Aron described the investment as a winning proposition for both companies, and he said in his statement, "Our strategic investment being announced today is the result of our having identified a company in an unrelated industry that appears to be just like AMC as a year ago." So not necessarily something to do with hedging inflation and buying gold, not necessarily something to do with the future prospects or the future growth of HYMC, but it appears to be just like AMC was a year ago. It too has rock solid assets. Clearly they are rock solid. The assets are gold. But for a variety of reasons, it has been facing a severe and immediate liquidity issue. Now, the severe and immediate liquidity issue is the fact that their net earnings are drastically in negative territory. They're losing millions of dollars a quarter, and they're running out of time. Their debt-to-asset ratio is roughly 111%, meaning that they owe much more in debt than they have in assets. If they were to liquidate everything right now, they wouldn't even be able to pay back their debt obligations. So that is a severe liquidity issue. Adam Aron is correct. Same deal went for AMC. You know who bailed AMC besides the retail investors? You know who bailed AMC out of that predicament they were in? Mudrick Capital. You know who the major shareholder is at about 41% of all of the shares of HYMC? Mudrick Capital. Seems like Adam Aron may be returning the favor here. And one of his buddies over there at Mudrick Capital was losing a lot of money, facing potential bankruptcy issues here, and might be time to return the favor. So AMC Entertainment went out there, bought $30 million worth of HYMC, and, providing additional liquidity for HYMC to pay down debt and make it through the tough time that they're in. Now, I know that might be a little bit of a drastic reach there, but hey, man, if it walks like a duck, smells like a duck, and talks like a duck, it's probably a duck, right? So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments if this was a good acquisition, if it was a gold play, or if it was Adam Aron pointing out a company that seems to be in a liquidity crisis and with $1.6 million on hand decided to help somebody out. Let us know down there. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will BinanceGeminiCrypto.com. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.